Hi. In order to send your Google Meet link to just the class that is going to use that link, this is what you're going to do. So this is so that you do not send it to the entire class. It is just so that you can send it to the kids that are going to need that link. The first thing you're going to need to do is to log into Canvas. So go to your Canvas and make sure you log in. Then you're going to go to the class that needs the link. So if I'm sending it to my language arts class, and I know this is a class that the district has created that has my students in it because it has 2021 here at the bottom. So I know that is not a class I've been playing around with. It's a class that the district created with my actual students. So I'm going to click on my class. And once it comes up, I have this word announcement here. It has the little I with a slash through it because there are no announcements yet. I do have it visible to the students that it will just be visible as soon as I actually post an announcement. So I'm going to click on announcements. And I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side and click plus announcement. This is going to give me a new announcement. I'm going to label it something very specific so that students know that they absolutely need to look at this. So I'm going to label it as, I might even label it as important. Google Meet links for ELA period 1. Okay. So I'm going to send out the links for both Thursday and Friday. So, and I can also type a message in here. The links you will need to attend class on these days. Okay, now it's all set up. Now I need to actually go see the links. So I'm going to go to my Google Calendar, my school calendar, okay, our school calendar. And I've already created my Google Meet in calendar, but now I need to give that link to the students. So my first class is at 8:05. That's my period 1. So I'm going to go over here to this copy image. I'm going to press that so I copy this link right here. So if I just press this to copy it, and it says successfully copied at the bottom. That's my link for Thursday. So I'm going to go back to Canvas and highlight Thursday. I'm going to make that a link now. So all they have to do is click on the word Thursday and it's going to bring them to Thursday's link. So I go over here to the chain link, to the link, and I'm going to choose external links. And I'm going to paste in my link. When I've done that, I'm going to click done. I don't care about link options, so I'm just going to click somewhere else on the screen so it's not highlighted anymore. And now Thursday is a link. All the students have to do is click on Thursday and they'll take it directly to their Google Meet. But I need to do the same thing for Friday. So I'm going to highlight Friday. I'm going to go back to my calendar. Now I'm going to go over to Friday's Google Meet. And it looks like it's this one right here. Again, I'm going to copy the link, go over here, highlight Friday. I guess I did that before. You could do it now. Highlight Friday, click my link, click external link, and paste my link. When I'm done with that, so I highlighted Friday, I clicked the little chain link, and I pasted my link. Now I'm going to click done. I can click anywhere else on the screen so that it gets rid of that link options. Well, somewhere that's not a link, I guess. And now my links are in my announcement. My announcement is ready to send, but I don't want to send it until 5 minutes before my meeting begins because I don't want students in there without me. So that's where I'm going to go down to this post to. I'm not going to post it to all sections because I just want my period 1. So I'm going to click that little X, go all the way across here to this down arrow. And I'm going to select period 1. Now it's only going to be sent to period 1. Again, if I press save right now, it's going to send it out right now. That's not what I want. I want to delay posting. I want to post this tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Oops, 8 o'clock a.m. So my date tomorrow, August 20th, 8 o'clock a.m., and I'm going to click done. Now, as soon as I click save, that means that this announcement is ready to go. So I'm going to click save. Okay. And I know that this link is not sent right now because at the very bottom in very small writing, it says this announcement will not be visible to users until when I set it, August 20th at 8 a.m. If I made a mistake, I'm just going to go up here and click edit and fix my mistake. And then I press save and it's good to go. If I need to delete this, I can press the 3 dots over here and click delete and this whole thing goes away, but I don't want to do that.